Hey everybody, there's a brand new release from iCrafter that just released today, so I'm going to show you one of the products. This is the Holiday Dovetail card, and this is a die set that's going to create this fun little interactive card that looks like a Christmas tree. It's really easy to put together, and all you need is a sheet of double-sided pattern paper, or if you just want to use colored cardstock, that'll work too. I picked out one of my favorite patterns from a Christmas pattern paper pack that I have, and I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. The one that you want to have, the pattern that you want to be on the outside of the card so that you see when you pull the card out of the envelope, you want to die cut into that pattern. So the front of my card is going to be the fox, and the inside is going to be the pink snowflake. You're just going to run this through your die machine once, and it will score that fold down the middle. And then all of these little pieces of the tree are going to score and be cut and everything right from the die. It really takes no work at all. All you have to do is just fold the card in half, and the card kind of pops out all on its own. From here, I'm going to just add a sentiment. This is also included in the Holiday Dovetail Die Set. So I cut Season's Greetings, and this die will cut out of a piece of black cardstock, as I've done it here, but I'll also cut all the individual letters so you can customize the sentiment to be how you want. I'm going to add this onto my card, but I made a mistake here, so I'm going to share the mistake with you so you don't make the same one. You want to make sure that your card can still open and close. So I was really careful here to add foam tape only onto the outside portions of the card, so the mint green portions, but then I actually ended up hanging my die cut piece over those left-hand side of the tree that's kind of sticking out, so you couldn't open your card. So you want to make sure that when you're adding your sentiment or any additional details that you're putting it over to the right side of the card. You want to keep it all on that half portion of the card. So I added my sentiment once more, and then I realized I had some foam tape peeking through the windows. So just a couple tips. You want to make sure that you have your sentiments and your pieces on the right-hand side of that fold, and you also want to make sure that none of your adhesive is showing through those little slits. But that's it. This is the Holiday Dovetail Die Set. It's super easy to put together, and I love how fun it is. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the iCrafter release, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.